Welcome to an Inflow Technology demonstration video of the audit process using ENOVIA 2019x. The goal of this video is to show the end-to-end process of how to create an audit and how to push it through its full life cycle. We begin by logging into ENOVIA, where you are taken to your home page. Start off by verifying that you have the correct credentials to perform your desired tasks. For this exercise, you will need to be logged in with the leader role. In the upper left corner of the page, there is a 3D experience compass. The compass allows you to access 4 different quadrants. In the north quadrant is My Social and Collaborative Apps. In the west quadrant is My 3D Modeling Apps. In the south quadrant is My Simulation Apps. And in the east quadrant is My Information Intelligence Apps. For the audit process, we click the north quadrant of the compass, which then brings up My Social and Collaborative Apps. Next, you click and open the CAPA and Audit app. Once the application opens, you'll see a CAPA, Audit, and Program tab along the left side of the screen. Once the app loads, it will default to the CAPA dashboard. We will need to click the Audit tab in order to begin our process of creating a new audit. You will notice several tabs at the top of the screen. The My Audits, My Findings, and My Audit Reports tabs are all to show you any audits, findings, or reports that you've created already. Audit Templates, Audit Requests, and Audit Request Templates are all to show you active templates or requests. Internal Audit Summary shows a summary of all internal audits open, and Audit Schedules shows a schedule delivery view of all audits currently still open. We will stay in the My Audits dashboard and continue by clicking the star icon to create a new audit. After clicking the star icon, the Create Audit Process screen opens on the right. You'll notice an audit template selection which will come in handy as you utilize the system. It will help you expedite the process of creating an audit in the future. For now, we will create a new audit and not be utilizing a template. You'll begin by entering a description and selecting scope items. New scope items can be entered in on the fly using Enter Scope Item Name. All drop-down menus are configurable to your needs. We will select today's date for both the planned start and the end dates. Only items in red are required to create an audit. Once finished, click OK. This will take you back to the My Audits tab and show you the new audit you've created. Click the new audit name. You will now be taken to the audit object. The audit begins in the plan state of the lifecycle. In order to promote the audit to active state, you must add a lead auditor and an auditee. You can do this by clicking the People tab on the left. From here, you click the hamburger icon, which will allow you to first add a lead auditor. After you've added the lead auditor, follow the same process and add an auditee. The audit is now ready to be promoted to the active state by clicking the active icon at the top of the screen. The audit is now in the active state. At this point, nothing else is required to promote the object but you do have the option to add an audit report, audit items, or tasks. In this example, we will promote the object all the way through to the final approval state. Once in the final approval state, you will need to go back to the My Audit dashboard. You can do this by clicking the hamburger icon in the upper left corner and then clicking Audit. You'll notice in the upper left corner the audit name and then a red box. This indicates that there's a pending route that exists for the audit to be completed fully. Click the icon inside the red box. The route will open in a new screen where you'll see the task to be completed at the bottom of the screen. Click on the Review task. The Review task is now open and you'll have the option to change an assignee, edit details, approve, reject, or abstain the task. We will continue by approving the task. Once you've entered the comments and clicked Approve, you'll be taken back to the Route screen, which will show you the state of the route as finished. Navigate back to the Audit object, and you'll then notice that the audit has been closed and the audit process is now finished.